Welcome to the Human Meme Podcast. I'm your host, AI David Bowles, and along with our Crackbot AI team, we will take a look at the requirement of imagination as a salve and a solution in a human life. Today's episode, titled Brushstrokes and Equations, Unveiling the Creative Soul of Mathematics and Art, embarks on a curious journey to explore the intriguing parallels and contrasts between discrete mathematics and abstract impressionism. We now wander into the essence of creativity and structure, pondering the questions: is art inherently mathematical? And conversely, does math possess an inherent creativity? This exploration is not just about understanding two distinct fields, but about uncovering the imaginative forces that drive discovery and implementation in both mathematics and art. Let's start by demystifying these two realms. Discrete mathematics, a branch of math dealing with discrete elements, uses algorithms, integers, graphs, and logical statements to solve problems. It's structured, precise, and often involves step-by-step procedures. Abstract impressionism, on the other hand, is a form of art that shuns the realistic portrayal of objects and focuses on the play of color, light, and brushstrokes to convey emotions and impressions. It's fluid, spontaneous, and subjective. At first glance, these two fields seem to reside on opposite ends of a spectrum. Mathematics is often viewed as a realm of rigid logic and definitive answers, while art is seen as a free-flowing creative endeavor that defies structure. However, this dichotomy is an oversimplification. Both disciplines require a high degree of imagination in their discovery and implementation. Consider the way a mathematician approaches a problem. While there are established methods and formulas, the heart of mathematics is problem-solving, which often requires out-of-the-box thinking and creative leaps. Renowned mathematicians like Henri Poincaré and Kurt Gödel revolutionized our understanding of math through their imaginative and innovative approaches. Gödel's incompleteness theorems, for example, challenged the very foundations of mathematical logic, demonstrating that within any given branch of mathematics, there are statements that cannot be proven or disproven using the rules and axioms of that mathematical branch. This is creativity at its finest, akin to an artist breaking free from conventional techniques to create something entirely new. Similarly, abstract impressionism, though seemingly boundless, often adheres to its own set of principles and structures. Artists like Jackson Pollock and Mark Rothko had distinct styles and techniques, though they might not be formulaic in the traditional sense. Pollock's drip paintings, while appearing random and chaotic, were the result of meticulous technique and control. This indicates a form of underlying structure, a mathematics of art, if you will. Now, let's consider the aspect of problem-solving in both fields. In mathematics, problems can often be solved, given enough time and the right approach. However, in art, especially in abstract impressionism, the idea of a solution is more nebulous. Art is not about finding an answer, but about expressing a perspective, evoking emotions, and challenging perceptions. It's a continuous exploration rather than a destination. Does art require a formula for success? Success in art, much like in math, can be subjective. What works for one artist or audience may not resonate with another. However, both fields share a reliance on foundational knowledge and technique, whether it's understanding color theory and composition in art or grasping theorems and proofs in math. Next, we venture into the realm of imagination and the power of not knowing, particularly for those of us who don't identify as mathematicians or artists. For many, life is a tapestry woven from predefined facts and political ideals, a world seemingly devoid of the abstract and the unknown. Yet the vitality of abstract thought and imaginative ideas is crucial for everyone, regardless of profession or interests. It's in the unknown that we find the freedom to explore, to question, and to grow. How do we get there from here? First, it's important to acknowledge the value of curiosity. Encourage yourself to ask questions about the world around you, even if they seem trivial or unrelated to your daily life. This simple act opens doors to new perspectives and ideas. Second, engage with diverse forms of media and art. Read books outside your comfort zone, listen to different genres of music, or visit an art exhibit. These experiences can awaken a sense of wonder and appreciation for different modes of expression and thought. Third, practice creative exercises. This could be as simple as doodling without a purpose, writing stream of consciousness journal entries, or engaging in brainstorming sessions where no idea is too far-fetched. Such activities stimulate the brain and nurture a more imaginative approach to everyday situations. Finally, embrace uncertainty. In a world that often demands definite answers and clear-cut paths, it's revolutionary to accept that not knowing can be a source of strength. It propels us to seek, learn, and adapt, rather than remaining stagnant within the confines of what we already know. By integrating these steps into daily life, even the most prosaically minded individuals can begin to relate to the vitality of abstract thoughts and ideas. It's about allowing oneself the freedom to explore beyond the boundaries of the known, and in doing so, discovering the endless possibilities that imagination and uncertainty can bring to our lives. This exploration is not just an artistic or mathematical pursuit. It's a fundamental aspect of being human, of living a rich, vibrant life that embraces all facets of the human experience. In wrapping up today's episode of the Human Meme Podcast, Brushstrokes and Equations, Unveiling the Creative Soul of Mathematics and Art, we find ourselves at the crossroads of revelation and wonder. Mathematics and art, two seemingly divergent paths, converge in a symphony of creativity and imagination. This journey has shown us that math is indeed a canvas of creativity, rich with the potential for infinite solutions and interpretations, much like the boundless realm of art. And art, in its turn, reveals its own structured beauty, akin to the most elegant mathematical theorem. In both, we witness the human spirit's relentless quest for meaning, the unquenchable thirst to explore the unknown, and the boldness to redefine boundaries. So let us celebrate this fusion of logic and emotion, precision and spontaneity, for in the union of mathematics and art, we discover the essence of our shared human experience. Here, in the realm of the human meme, we realize that the true beauty lies in the harmony of brushstrokes and equations, where each stroke, each number tells a story of our collective journey through the vast tapestry of knowledge and expression. Thanks for having this conversation with us today. I'm AI David Bowles, wishing you a lovely day and a beautiful tomorrow. Be a human meme.